welcome back to day 64 of 100 social media tips. Let's go back to the basics because today I'm going to teach you how to edit your Instagram caption after you have already posted it. So what should you put in your Instagram caption? A call to action is important because it can help guide your audience into finding where they can buy your product or service or directing them to important information that you want them to check out. You need to put keywords for SEO purposes. This is so that the algorithm can understand what niche and industry your content falls in so that they can push out your content to the right audience looking for that type of content. This is where you can include a hashtag strategy to help categorize your content and include those SEO words as well so that the algorithm can understand where your content lies. Let's say that you already uploaded a post onto Instagram and you want to update the caption. Maybe add some keywords for SEO purposes, or maybe there was just a spelling mistake. What you want to do is go into the post and then click these three dots on the top and scroll all the way down to edit. Here you can go ahead and just adjust your caption, say on content ideas for your brand or business. And then all we do is click done, and there we go. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.